When did Hemi start making hybrids?
It's gonna sound bad. I got a Wrangler.
Start going.
Santos, this is John. Are you stuck on the beach?
Hello?
Hello?
Hi, sir.
Hi.
Hey, I got...
Hello? Hello? I can't hear you. You might have connected to your truck or something. Like, that's probably him. Can you hear me? There you are. Hello?
Yeah.
Hey, man. Are you driving a Chevy?
Yeah, black Chevy.
Yep, I see you. Let me take care of this couple in the Dodge up here, and then I'll come get you.
Okay.
All right, see you.
Thank you.
Yep. How we doing? Stop here for now.
Al Sagan.
Al, John, nice to meet you.
Okay, I parked here, backed up over there,
Uh-huh.
and I came down, but these ladies here parked, lay down, and then so I'm trying to go around them.
Right, didn't give you much option there, huh?
Yeah.
Okay. All right, let me take a look. And it's still working? Okay. Oh yeah. Look guys, this is when we say coquina sand. Look at all the shells in that. This is not very fine.
Dude. They got churned up.
Yeah. For sure. Does it have front hooks?
Crazy.
It is not.
No.
That's gonna be our only grime. And it is down there. Huh. Well, what's up?
Hook over to here, I know your winch,
Yeah.
and wrap the winch around one of the base of those poles, hook up to the back of the truck.
Well, I can just hook up to the back of you straight up if we want, but I gotta dig all the sand out either way so we don't pull on the bumper. And if I do that, I could just go ahead and hook up to the front of you and we can just pull you on out of here. So that'd end up probably being simpler. All right, let me work on getting it hooked up and then we'll go from there, okay? All right. I'm gonna get turned around.
When did Hemi start making hybrids?
Good question.
But that's a little interesting. I've never seen that like a Hemi hybrid.
Me either, honestly, now that you're saying it.
That's what I'm saying.
A little bit of an axle click. You heard that?
Yeah.
Five minutes later.
Oh yeah, it just keeps coming. Oh God. Whoa. It's exhausting. All right. That is in there. Whoa. That is tough. Stuff sticks to you. All right, how am I looking over here? Oh. Santo, this is John. Are you stuck on the beach?
Yeah. I called you. I just called you earlier. I got the black Chevy, but I had somebody pull up, but I don't think that was you, right?
Nope, I am north of you. I'm about to get this Ram out and then head your way. So, you know, if someone wants to try, that's at your discretion. They probably don't have insurance, but nothing wrong with a volunteer.
No, that's fine. I'm waiting on you. I told him I was waiting. He kind of got stuck.
Gotcha. All right, I'll try and be there as quick as I can.
All right.
All right, bye. All right. So, I'm gonna have you in there. Are you in 4 high or 4 low? Probably low, just so we know we got a little kick if we need it. I won't want you to go crazy, but just give me a little bit of gas so I'm not pulling you dead weight. And we'll want to keep that wheel straight with me. You give it some when I hit, and then if we get you out, I'm gonna bring you around the ramp. Just try and leave a little tension on, and we'll bring it wide, make sure we avoid everybody.
If you just get me down to there.
You think you'll be okay? All right, I'll get you down there and we'll see if you can get out of here, okay? Go, keep going. There we go. Well, stop. Wait, no. Stop. He's gonna give it one more try. All right. Go. Start going. Start going. There we go. Well, still got it done. Wasn't beautiful, but we got it done.
Yeah, as long as it gets done.
Yep. I saw he was coming up on the line. I was like, I'll just stop. I got him out enough.
Yeah.
Ugh.
Honestly, once you got tension on the line, you got out pretty easily.
Yeah. I had to reach. Can you turn that wheel all the way towards me real quick? Oh, hey now. All right, all the way this way. All right. Just make sure I would just nice and easy get right here next to them where it's hard packed and get a little bit of momentum, and I'll make sure you get out of here, okay? All right, let me move. Come on. Come on, big horn.
Well,
Yay. Sweet. The other dude called and said that someone offered him help, but then they were getting stuck. So we're gonna see what that's about. But one done.
oh yeah, on to the next.
All right, guys, we're rolling up on this Chevy. We're gonna get him out of here. What's up, man? What was your name?
Carlos.
Carlos. John, nice to meet you.
John?
Yep, John. So I'm thinking if we just get you backed up onto the hard sand here, if you want to make it easy, I can just hook onto the front of you and we can just rip you out of here, or you can give it a shot on your own. Either way, I mean, okay, sounds good. All right, I'll work on getting hooked up, okay?
Cool. You gonna do anything?
Nope, nothing, just hang out.
Right now, just leave it in park or neutral. But when he pulls you, he's gonna have you in reverse.
All right, so just, yep, in reverse. You'll try and give a little bit of pressure to the passenger sides because I'm turning you down, and we'll just bring it down to where you're good at, and we'll rehook from there.
Okay.
Oh.
Start going. Keep going. Yep, don't stop. There we go. Yep, keep going. All right, you're good. You're good. Voila. That was easier.
Yeah.
Way easier.
For sure.
Oh, yeah.
All right. All right, so I'm gonna get out of your way. I want you to back up probably like 30 feet to kind of where I'm at, and I'll get in front of you and hook up and we'll go from there. All right, so basically, I'm gonna go, you wait almost until I'm gonna hit, give me a little bit. We'll try and keep a little bit of tension on it so it's not rolling up under you. We'll take it to the ramp. The only other thing is make sure we take it wide up the ramp and leave the tension on it. We'll end on the concrete and get you out of here, all right?
Okay.
All right. Yep. All right, here we go. Heck yeah, man. You did good, dude. Good job.
It's gonna sound bad. I got a Wrangler at the house.
Okay, there you go. So you know a little something.
I have a winch and everything.
There you go. There you go. Chose the wrong vehicle today.
Yeah.
I hear you.
The Wrangler would have handled this no problem.
Yeah,
I got
for
highway
sure.
tires on it.
Yeah, literally. It's not what it's meant for.
Yeah.
You said you were doing cash or card?
I'll do cars.
Okay, sounds good.
Really good business you guys got going.
Yeah, man, it ain't bad. It ain't bad. Oh yeah, and if you guys go down south like Seabreeze, Williams, International, anything like 10 or so minutes, yeah, dude, it's way better down there. You'll be just fine with that truck.
That's where
won't even have to worry about it. Yeah, bro, I would just go down there. You'll be a lot better off.
Real silly.
All right.
Boom.
Hey, you have a good one. All right. Yes, sir.
You too.
Bam. Well, there you go. Another one bites the sand. No, I don't like that. That doesn't sound right. There we go, guys. That is our second twofer today. We had the two F-150s, and then we had the Ram and the Chevy back to back. So we're gonna go take a lap and make sure no one else needs our help. See ya.
Like and subscribe to Santo, they're the best.
Subscribe to Santo.